my name is Kat, and as you can tell from that short compilation, I tend to crash a lot. And if you're anything like me, you like to capture those lovely little moments with something like this. A GoPro. Now, while most riders can get away with something generic like a sticky mount or one of those universal mounts from Amazon, the LS2 Subverter is a particularly hard helmet to mount a GoPro to. Like, I love this helmet. It's got a really clean look. The sun visor is huge. The front end is nice and aggressive. There are lots of lines throughout the helmet, which makes it look really nice. However, that makes it extremely difficult to get a sticky mount on, which is why I made this. It's a mount for the helmet. All it does is stick to the front with some double-sided tape, and once attached, you can hook and unhook the GoPro with these. Overall, it's actually a really simple mount, and it's even simpler to make. Starting off, you can get the STL file in the link below. Just go to the page, click the download button, and put it into your slicer. I recommend using a 0.2mm layer height, and while I used a 0.6 nozzle with no issues, I suggest using a 0.4 for the best quality. Other than that, the print doesn't require any supports or special settings. So let's pop it off the print bed, but before that, one more crash.
Zip tizer.
Can you? Oh, damn. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, help him. He's hot.
Alright, so now that it's off the print bed, we're going to need some double-sided tape along with a razor blade or a sharp knife. Starting off, we're going to apply a strip of double-sided tape to the mount. I recommend using the heavy-duty stuff like 3M or Gorilla. I'm using 3M and I've never had any issues. Once you're done with that, you can cut off the sides and then cut off the top. Just remember, it doesn't have to look pretty, but try to cut it as close as possible. Before we install this, remember to clean off the surface of the helmet with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Yeah, that's good. When applying the mount to the helmet, I've designed it to be more or less an exact fit, so just line up the top and the rest will fall into place. All that's left to do from here is to apply pressure for about 15 seconds, and once done, you can mount your GoPro. It'll simply snap into place like any other mount, so just push it in and you're ready to ride. I'll be finishing off this video with some riding footage from the mount, so if you decide to make it yourself, leave a like and a comment, maybe subscribe if you want. I don't know, I can't tell you what to do. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time when I build a really sketchy kicker for my trials bike. Ride safe.